Voicemail. You can leave voicemail to someone via the W60P decked IP phone and also listen to voicemail stored in the central location. To configure voicemail, press the OK key to enter the main menu, select voicemail and set voicemail. In the related account, press left or right navigation key to select enabled from the status field, and then enter the voicemail access code, for example *62 in the number field. Press OK soft key to accept the change. After you've successfully set up the voicemail, when there's a new voicemail, the voicemail icon appears on the LCD screen with the number of unread voicemails. The power LED will also slowly flash red when the voicemail is present. To check voicemails, press the message key to view, long press the digit key 1, or dial the access code *62 directly to listen to the voicemail. To view the voicemail via the phone user interface, press the OK key to enter the main menu, select voicemail, and play message. Then, select the desired line and press the select soft key to listen.